people of Meru, not the Senate, the Speaker of the Senate. The Speaker of the Senate has no vote in Senate.
Okay.
The Speaker of Senate has no vote in Meru.
Yeah, tuteaukumile sana
yes.
kile merits na demerits cia yamba.
Yes.
Kambori atire, makarina kinyewe na akwaria wo kwaria, with finality.
Yes.
Na actually makarina ariria 2027 ati kwariri kinya tariki 15 ina inkona that cheto ikuthira. So ariwa MCAs na deputy governor pa watarire na kawira nonto munya na lintore former agriculture CSs babo bele na bobari tania na former MCAs. So kintu kira kireo thai ni thirikari yendele mwaka 2027 and beyond.
Owe olelete no thwanite na mathwane yaku tweta na kawira for the next another 5 years. Meru tithirwe kuire na rathikwa.
I don't know.
With what is happening in this county na mathina yarayokarika kuma royo otongerie bo kinya ikubie yete iku strange na Biblia yetumira bo hebu no bwana endera antu babe abo otongeria antu ibawira gwana endera antu bateairite ba otongeria antu ibarira. Meru has been crying for the last 2 years.
Kinya natural calamities oka blame on kawira.
Some natural calamities no nyichi happen no ntoba the leadership ireri ku Biblia otekomea ikipanisha na ba Israeli no ntoba kwa Luka Musa aba chambro iboko mno leta bake ya ku realize ba repent me mother na bodana che mutongerio mwe kinya aifunzo kwa wengine bugero ria bwataro tongeri bogario mathina yana yo bwa kulukira. So Meru is in this problem because kinya the leadership irerio somehow ne ku contradict manto ya Murungu. Today you are speaking about the God that we serve and the God who sustains you, and tomorrow you in another platform ukeruma atongeri bangi ba Meru. It is totally contradicting.
So kinya mutuma yukia it might not be easy.
But Martin, I want to tell you the truth. Mutuma ntwethingerira ko yete kike Meru tariki in between yawe November au mwisho au rira ko yete ke bwana Martin. I am telling you the truth. Anto ba Meru bakona change bakai kinyaruo rwa change kinya weta town yeku nowadays anto beta inya beno bwana Martin. People don't walk freely, staff bateketha na chia. You see, even kinya itarakira itu na itara munya me atotare uchore na this government anto bamo toteta na iria bo lakini oteo kwa kinya staff kutuika ni ukira raia bakethania wona no taburgetie njara weketha ya chief of staff bari yake undruine anto baba tunyacha inyoterine by either bate enda kuona nawe ritho kwa ritho living in fear. You cannot serve in such a government. You cannot live in such a county where everybody is afraid wa no kiaragia different opinion nera kabati wokarito department ne wate wakethakene. So we cannot live in such a nation.
So tukidhiria Frank, in case mutumaka yako yukia, then what happens kiri Ciaca Cia Meru? What do you think? Ni bibio kuona biakarika
siasa ikaiara Ciaca Cia Meru ikabwa muno boboya sana.
I'm looking at 2027.
Eu ni oturi au no oturi au yotoleleti au mutuma no yete na tongere Meru boya 2027 ye kinya tukaibanga boya muno.
Sounds it bro kwaria ekara yakakuri kaubwa kayoko kira kawira no nto 2027
we are otem tugera kawira kinya kawira yekiro tekwenda kwa mwiji kinya yekiro 2027 kawira kana imathina yarakulugirite antu ba Meru na kinya mutume yekiro atene kira mutuma otem tugaringa siasa Meru akaringa siasa akiwa ate tukuthane mutuma kura tukumuthania ite tariki kinya 18 kana 19 yako yete ka Meru mutuma
why not 16
intuko go ite yamba
17
is Saturday.
Okay, 15
Sunday,
15 ni Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
And then no Saturday tuteapisha kana Sunday no to abishe we mandika Tuesday nara lakini what I'm saying is this bwana Martin what I'm saying is this mutumo yete utento murumo kanjiria kuura mutuma tariki 18 ai mwira ngota thithia rwe angotethia katuka mutuma mwanka 2026 arite ngwe tumuone change ira akathithia then bamunya na balentore and another person you it is the democratic right yemethika lentore kurombe teke angavana. It is the democratic right of Peter Gatira umunya kurombe teke angavana. But mutumo yete tariki itwetete kinyabo baritiriti anini bone ora kuthithia. If things doesn't work the way they want things to be run, pachoke ke anine mutume ibwa kuthiana abo ninge ibwa atithiana abo well and good.
And you know
that
is na kinya kathuri are
na kobia kai wau.
Oh really?
Kakovia oversight is there, but tundre Kakovia the message of the Senate of Meru ariwa Ciaca Cia Meru ni cool down tarik 16 ni kinye mutumare tho muma to mweka nyari tiranto ba Meru ngui. Then after that 2027 ni kinya the kaibanga
kankwire uma because of that no to bo wataririe mantu na brasi aza chiedo chinchia I can tell you medical lentore Peter Munya dakinya kakobia gawaku but they are very comfortable na yambare kuitwa in favor ya babu na MCA.
I am talking from horse's mouth. When it comes to this matter ya yambare kuitwa I can speak with finality and the stand na musimamo yo seneta kadhuri babu angente bariria musimamo yo seneta kadhuri murunge Meru intakene na Meru kenda Meru ya dreamed na kenda Meru yebela